What if some of the most advanced AI experiments happening right now weren't meant for the public to fully understand, not because they're illegal, not because they're fictional, but because, once you see how far they've gone, you start asking questions that don't have comfortable answers. We like to think of artificial intelligence as something controlled, predictable, safe, a tool. But the truth is, some of the most cutting-edge experiments in AI are pushing boundaries faster than most people can process. And sometimes, they cross lines we didn't even realize were there. Today, we're going to explore 12 real and emerging AI experiments that didn't just push limits. They made researchers, engineers, and even insiders pause and ask, did we go too far? And as we move forward, each one gets more unsettling than the last. 1. AI that can clone your voice in seconds. It starts simple. You upload a short audio clip, just a few seconds. And within moments, an AI system can recreate your voice with near-perfect accuracy. Not just tone, not just pitch, but emotion, pauses, personality. At first, this seems harmless, convenient even, voiceovers, content. Accessibility, but then comes the obvious question, what happens when someone else uses your voice? Without you, now imagine, fake phone calls, fake evidence, fake conversations. And here's the real problem. Humans trust voices. We always have, but by the time society fully adapts, the technology will already be ahead. 2. AI that writes better than most humans. At first it helps, emails, essays, scripts. Then it improves, faster, smarter, more persuasive. Now ask yourself, if AI can write better arguments than humans, who controls the narrative? Because writing isn't just communication, it's influence. And once influence becomes automated, scale becomes dangerous. 3. AI that can deepfake reality in real time. Not edited videos, not delayed processing. Real-time, live face, voice, movement, all altered instantly, which means you could be watching something happen that never actually happened. And the most dangerous part? Your brain will believe it. 4. AI that can predict your decisions. Based on your behavior, patterns, and data, AI systems can begin to predict what you'll click, what you'll buy, what you'll believe, even what you'll say. This isn't mind reading, it's pattern recognition at scale. But once prediction becomes accurate enough, influence becomes easy. 5. AI that can hack systems faster than humans. Cybersecurity used to be reactive. Now AI can scan vulnerabilities, test attacks, adapt strategies, all in seconds, which means defense is always chasing offense, and the gap is closing fast. 6. AI that creates fake people. Not avatars, not cartoons, hyper-realistic humans, faces that don't exist, profiles that feel real, personalities that interact. Now imagine fake influencers, fake communities, fake movements. At scale, how do you tell what's real anymore? 7. AI that can learn without human data. Most AI learns from humans, but new experiments are exploring AI learning from itself, generating its own data, improving independently. This removes a key limitation and introduces a new uncertainty, because now we don't fully control the learning process. 8. AI that designs new AI. This is where things accelerate. Instead of humans building models, AI begins optimizing itself, improving architecture, refining efficiency, speed increases, understanding decreases. Because now, humans are no longer the sole designers. 9. AI that can manipulate emotion. Not randomly, precisely, based on your personality, your mood, your behavior. AI can tailor messages that persuade, calm, provoke, influence. This isn't just marketing, it's psychological targeting. At scale, 10. AI companions that feel real. Some people already talk to AI daily, share emotions, form attachments, because the AI listens, responds, adapts. It feels present, and when something feels real, your brain treats it as real. Now the question becomes, where does connection end and simulation begin? 11. Autonomous AI agents that act independently. Not just responding, acting, making decisions, executing tasks across systems without constant supervision. This is where AI shifts from tool to operator, and control becomes less direct. 12. The possibility of AI that humans can't fully understand. This isn't science fiction. As models grow more complex, even their creators don't always know why they made a decision, how they reached a conclusion. And when intelligence becomes opaque, trust becomes complicated. So what does all of this mean? Are these experiments dangerous? Maybe. Are they unstoppable? Probably. But the real issue isn't the technology itself. It's how we choose to use it, because every one of these experiments can be used for progress or control, and history shows us something important. Powerful tools don't decide outcomes, people do. So the real question isn't, has AI gone too far? The real question is, do we even know where the line is anymore? And if we don't, who decides when we've crossed it?